Hello everyone, welcome to Programatica, and today I am going to talk about how to host your website on the internet with your custom domain. As a developer, you might developing web application or website, but you can't share it with anyone. To make it accessible to anyone on the internet, you need to host your website or web application on the live server so that everyone can access it. And yes, that is going to be totally free. So let's get started.
So these are the source code of my website. Actually, I didn't coded the website at my own. For the lack of time, I just downloaded the template from the internet. So where you will find that, just go to your browser and search for free HTML and CSS template. In the very first link, you will get freecss.com. So I downloaded the template from there. Just scroll a little bit and go to second page. Yeah, this is the template I downloaded. So let's see how the project looks like in our local computer. For that, just go to your project location and search for the index file. So by default, this is the entry point of our website. This file will be considered as a home page of our website. If you didn't configure anything, the server will also treat that file as your home page. Yeah, as you can see, this file is working pretty fine and the website looks awesome. So let's upload the file in the remote server. For that, just go to 000 web host and create a new account here. As I have already created my account, so I am signing in with my existing Gmail account. So after successfully signed in, you will be redirected to the website list. The website created by you will be listed here. So as you can see, I haven't created any website, so that is why no website is listed here. To create new website, click on the create new site button that is present on the top right corner and enter your website name. Be careful while giving website name because that is going to be a part of your website URL, and create a new password for your website and make sure you remember the password very well because that password we will be using while connecting to the FTP client. And click on the create button and wait for some time, and it will check your availability of your website. As you can see, the website is already exists. So try to enter a new website name. If your site is available, then it will automatically create your website and redirect you to dashboard page. In dashboard page, there is a upload button where you can upload the resources and files manually by clicking on the upload button. The best way to upload the files is to use one FTP client, but in this video I am going to use one FTP client, that is FileZilla. So it will transfer all the files from your local computer to the remote server. You don't need to do anything manually. One thing I want to say, for this video I am only using one static website right now, but in case if you have one dynamic website, dynamic in the sense you have one database in backend, so in that case you have one database manager over here in the left side panel. You can use it and you can create your own database here, but there is certain limitations to use that as you are using free tier account. Alright, so navigate to website setting and then general So if you want to use FTP client, then you need these informations to connect to the server, and make sure you have FTP enabled over here. And let's have a look how our FileZilla client interface looks like. So this is our FileZilla FTP client. You need this information to connect to remote server, and copy the host name from 000 web host and paste it in the appropriate text box, and write your username. Our username is Programatica1, and enter your password, the password which you have entered at the time of creating the site, and enter the port number. Our port number is 21, so enter it in the text box and click on the quick connect button. It will take few minutes to connect to the remote server. As you can see, it's now connected to the remote server. So these two folders are present in our remote server right now. Open public_HTML folder, and we are going to place the whole project inside the public_HTML folder. And don't play with the HTTPS file. This file is very important. So this file is basically used for controlling the access of the user. You can restrict the files from the user. I am going to drag all the files directly from my local computer to the public_HTML folder. So for this I need to adjust the window size so that both applications can fit on the same screen. And now drag the files, and before uploading the files, let's have a look how our website looks like. So this is our website URL. You can see the website is live and it is showing the default page as we haven't uploaded anything yet. So let's upload the files. Select all the files and drag to the remote folder. Make sure you are uploading the files inside the public_HTML folder, and wait for some time. It will automatically upload all the files one by one. Now all the files has been uploaded, and let's have a look how our website looks like. Refresh the page. Wow, our website is looking pretty awesome. So our website is live now. So this is our website URL. You can share it with anyone.